Alright, we are here at 2641 South Xanadu Way, Unit A. We are at the outside cleanouts that are shared with C and B and A. We're going to run it all the way inside to where Unit A vertical stack is. We just completed a cleaning and we're going to verify our findings. We have the transition point at about 5 feet from SDR35 PVC to cast iron. There was heavy scale buildup in the cast iron. Let's see, we've cleared all of that away. There is no deterioration on the bottom of the pipe. The bottom of the pipe is perfectly circular. No more grooving. So it was, in fact, just scale buildup. Here we're going up the vertical S-drop here into the ABS. Trying to get that camera lens to rotate, but it seems to be stuck. There we go. Got a tie-in coming from Unit C and a reducer joint going from a 4-inch to a 3-inch. Internal line of ABS and cast iron does display proper pitch and graded flows so far. Just made the turn to head towards Unit A. Should be a few more feet. Reach the stack, and we did do a preliminary inspection to see what we were dealing with and make sure we could make it all the way to Unit A. And we did a locate in the lower bathroom. There we have, we're looking up the vertical stack in the crawl space of Unit A at about 54 feet. I'm going to go ahead and pull it back and do an inspection of the external line. We've reached the city tap connection, or the HOA tap connection, sorry. Here's the collar to the main. Roots have been removed. Collar is intact with good flow into the city side with no restrictions. External main line of clay does display proper pitch and graded flow with intact joint connections, no low spots or flow restrictions. Do have a small hairline fracture right here at about 32 feet with no separation, no displacement, no structural compromise. We can see all the roots. There's a couple stragglers left behind, but nothing restricting. The roots have been removed, and the line is in proper functioning order. So we'll go ahead and pull this back, and just recommendations moving forward is just to maintain the line, have it cleaned every 2 to 4 years to maintain roots and scale buildup. There is some slight scale residue left behind from the cleaning. With the heavy amounts of scale that was in that cast iron pipe, this is to be expected. It will flush out with normal use.